Good morning, friends. First of all, happy Independence Day to all my lovely students. Today's date is 15th August, Saturday. Today I am going to teach you SS Standard 5th AB Topic 6 Natural Resources. Page number 36 and 37, Part 1. Friends, today I am going to teach you our new topic, Natural Resources. Natural resources means materials or substances occurring in nature which can be exploited for economic gain are known as natural resources. Natural resources means substances which we use this kind of substances for our wealth, for earning wealth, for gain wealth, can be exploited for economic gain. They are known as natural resources. This all kind of natural resources we use for our economic gain. These all kind of substances are known as natural resources. Natural resources include oil. Natural resources generally are include oil, coal, natural gas, metals, stone and sand, air, sunlight, soil and water are other natural resources. Friends, there are so many kind of natural resources on the earth, on our planet earth, but generally these kind of natural resources we use repeatedly. Why our life is possible on our earth? Due to these all natural resources, due to all kind of natural resources, life is possible on the earth. Natural resources are the naturally occurring substances which are considered invaluable for the survival of all living things on the earth. Our planet is gifted a wide range of natural resources such as water, land, forest, sunlight, animals, all kind of minerals. These resources are the gift of nature. These all kind of resources are generally gift from the God, gift from the nature. They are the sole reason why life is possible on our earth. Due to this, why life is possible on our planet earth. Due to all kind of natural resources, life is possible on the earth. The life of people over the years has shaped up according to are dependent on how well they use their natural resources. All people's life is dependent on the use of this kind of natural resources. Natural resources can be of two types. There are two types of natural resources. Today I am going to teach you two types of natural resources. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. There are two types of natural resources. First one is the renewable resources and second one is the non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are the resources which can be used again and again. Renewable resources means the resources which are useful to us for again and again. They are inexhaustible. They are a part of our natural environment. This kind of renewable resources are a part of our environment and from our ecosystem. Sunlight, water and air are some examples of renewable resources. Sunlight, air and water are our renewable resources. This kind of resources we can use repeatedly. We can use again and again. So these kind of resources are known as renewable resources. Renewable resources, this is the solar energy. We can use this kind of energy with the help of sunlight. At first our engineer made a solar panel and solar sun Sound rays directly fall on this panel and we get light from this panel. So this is the renewable resources, solar energy. Then after, our next point is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the resources which are existable. Which are existable. Existable means, friends, if we use this kind of resources repeatedly, it may be destroyed. It may be existable and cannot be replaced. They exist only in a fixed amount and cannot be remade. This kind of resources we cannot be remade. Repeatedly we cannot make it. Some examples of non-renewable resources are fossil fuels, iron, uranium, petroleum and coal. These all are the non-renewable resources. Now our next topic is use of natural resources. Which way we use this kind of all kind of natural resources? Use of natural resources. The use of natural resources are immense. Some natural resources can be used directly. Some natural resources we can use directly, like air, sunlight and water. Never process on it. We can use these all kind of resources directly from the nature. And some need to be processed before use. Some natural resources may be used before use. It is compulsory to process on it. Air, water and sunlight can be used directly. Water is used for different purposes. It is used to produce electricity by building dams. It is also used for irrigation and farming. Solar energy is another source we can use directly. Solar energy we can use it directly. So we use directly solar energy for our personal use and another use also. It is a never-ending resource. Solar energy is from all the natural resources. Solar energy is the never-ending resource in the world. Scientists have been researching on how it can be used for different applications. Our scientists use which way we can use sun rays directly or indirectly. They use different kind of researching. It can be used for different applications. Many vehicles and gadgets have been made which work with solar energy. Wind energy also used for producing electricity. This is the wind farm. Friends, generally this kind of wind farm, our engineers make it near to water resources. Make it near to water resources like sea beaches. They make this kind of wind farm and use this kind of wind farm. They produce electricity. So it is very useful natural resources. This is the use of sunlight. So this is the natural resources and non-renewable resources. This is the wind farm, and this use of wind we can make an electricity. Use of natural resources, which kind of way we can use this all kind of natural resources. Some resources can't be used in their natural form. Some natural resources may be used directly and some are not. We can process on it, and then after we can use this kind of natural resources. They need to be processed before they can be used. For example, petroleum, that is taken out from the earth in a crude form. Generally, petrol we cannot get directly from the earth. We can process on it. Then after we can use petrol. So petroleum product is natural resources, but we cannot we cannot use this kind of natural resources directly. We have to process on it, then after we can use this kind of resource. It is reformed and changed to petrol, diesel, kerosene and other products. When we do process on petroleum, first we get different kind of things: petroleum, diesel, kerosene, etc. Then after we can use the petrol. The case in same with minerals also. They need to be extracted from their ores and refined before they can be used. All the industrial growth and development that we are around us would not have been possible without the use of natural resources. Now our next topic is conservation of natural resources. Conservation means to save. We have learned about the importance of natural resources. Many natural resources are non-renewable. We must do something to preserve them. If we are going to use these resources continuously, these both kind of resources, renewable resources and non-renewable resources, these both kind of resources, if we use repeatedly, immense use, so maybe it existence from the earth. If we are going resources to be used resources continuously, they will get exhausted from the earth. So there is rising demand to conserve all our natural resources. Air, water and land are being affected due to overuse. Overuse of natural resources, land get be polluted, even our environment also be polluted. Many plants and animal species have become extinct and many others are on the verge of extinction. There won't be a future we don't conserve our natural resources. Our natural resources, if we use these all kind of resources, immense use, they may be existent soon. Natural resources we may use properly. No matter how well we have progressed, we can't survive this whole kind of natural resources. We must look after the gifts that nature has given us with utmost care. Our nature gives us a lot of things, lot of natural resources. It is our duty, it is our duty must be care about these both kind of renewable and non-renewable resources. Both kind of resources we may use very carefully. There are now friends, just recap of these both topics. There are two types of natural resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources generally are air, wind and water, wind and sunlight. Non-renewable resources are lots of. Renewable resources may be used different kind of ways. Our scientists make a solar panel, a wind farm for the purpose of our different kind of uses. Then after use of water, our engineers make a dam. They store the water of the river, and the use of these storage water, they make an electricity. They produce an electricity. This wind farm is also produce an electricity. These both are produce an electricity. Wind farm and dam. These both are making near to water resources, which can be easily get from. This is built near to sea level, and This is built near to river. And solar energy. Now generally people make this kind of solar energy on their houses also, and our government make this all kind of solar panel on the highways to save our electricity. So this kind of all renewable and non-renewable resources. Then after use of natural resources, if we do not use our natural resources carefully, it may be existent soon from the earth. And conservation of natural resources, we have to save this all kind of conserve this all kind of natural resources. Thank you.